Hey everyone, Scott Holmes again here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to show you this 2021 Bennington 23 SXP. This boat is a tri-toon with the SPS performance package, powered by a 200 horsepower V6 Mercury. Very fun boat to drive and operate. Also one of our most popular floor plans with the swing back layout. This boat does have the midnight black paneling with the graphite syntax interior and carbon accent and seagrass flooring. Really nice diamond inlay with the 20% cutout for the cup holders and speakers on this boat. One thing I really like about this floor plan is it kind of has that traditional L-shaped lounger that converts to the rear swing back seat. But what this allows you to do is get lots of coverage from the sun with this 10-foot long bimini top for everybody sitting back here. Then where you're moored or just hanging off out the back of the boat on this nice big extended swim deck, you can flip this seat back and you got that nice rear facing lounger, curved boarding ladder. This boat does have the elevated helm with the Kicker Bluetooth stereo and Garmin Striker 4 graph. Of course, it comes with a full boat cover as well. Got a great selection of Benningtons inside right now, so be sure to come by and check out our showroom. I'll be glad to show you all we have to offer. Again, MarineMax in Greenville, Scott Holmes, 864-236-9005. Thank you.